Uh, Hello students, welcome. Today in this video we will see some very important questions of topic polynomial for class 9. So let us start. The first question is verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to half into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus x minus z minus x whole square. So here we have to verify that LHS and RHS are equal. So we take one by one. First we take LHS, which is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. You are well aware that it is one identity which is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. So let us stop here the LHS part. Now taking RHS, what we do, half into x plus y plus z into under bracket it is given that x minus y whole square. So we will break it into a minus b whole square identity. So it will come x square plus y square minus 2xy plus again there is y minus z whole square. So on splitting it, y square plus z square minus 2yz plus again there z minus x whole square. So it will be z square plus x square minus 2xz. Okay, using a minus b whole square identity. Now the next step is half into x plus y plus z into, on simplification, the another bracket we have 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2xz. Now in the next step again half into x plus y plus z into, we just see that in the bracket, second bracket, there is a common factor 2 present in all terms, so we will take it out. Now taking 2 common out, under bracket the remaining terms are x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. So 2 cancelled out, and now we have the result x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. This is the solution of RHS part. Now we compare the LHS result and RHS result, which are equal. So hence we write LHS equal to RHS, and hence it is proved because we have to prove this. Now we take the second question. The question is, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then show that a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. So student, this can be shown by using the identity as here we know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Now in the second step, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, in the place of a plus b plus c we put 0 because it is given. So 0 into bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. So on simplifying, again it is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0 because 0 multiply anything becomes 0. So now we will transpose this minus 3abc towards RHS, then we have the result. Therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc, hence it is proved. Okay student, now we will see some more questions here in this space. Again, there is verification type of question. Verify that a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So student, here it is easy to take RHS step and proceed taking RHS. So we take RHS equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now since there is a multiplication sign between these two brackets, so we will multiply. We will actually multiply. So first we will multiply by a, which results a cube minus a square b plus ab square, and then we multiply the second bracket by plus b. So this results plus a square b minus ab square plus b cube. So opposite term, opposite sign containing terms, similar terms are cancelled out, and the remaining part is a cube plus b cube, which is equal to LHS. So taking RHS, we have arrived at LHS, hence it is proved. The similar question number 4 is very similar to question number 3, only there is difference in the sign. So let us see. The question is verify that or show that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So as we have proved question 3 taking RHS and reaching to LHS, similar way we take again RHS, which is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we will multiply these two bracket. First we will multiply by a, so it will be a cube plus a square b plus ab square. Then by minus b we will multiply, so this will give minus a square b minus ab square minus b cube. Now cancelling the similar terms with opposite sign, we have only the remaining terms a cube minus b cube, which is equal to LHS. So in this way from RHS we got the result of LHS. So it is proved now. Now one more question we take without actual multiplication. Here we have to find the value of 12 cube plus under bracket minus 7 cube plus under bracket minus 5 cube. You should recall such type of question where three terms are given in cube form, and we have to either find its value, and sometimes the same question is asked to factorize, means to find its factor. So when three terms are there in cube, then what to do? First of all, we should suppose them as a, b and c inside the bracket what numbers are there. So let us suppose a is 12, b is minus 7 and c is minus 5. Now we will add these three, that is a plus b plus c, and on simplification we get 0. Now we recall one conditional identity is there, that if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then any question which is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube has value 3abc. So here both the conditions are fulfilled, as you have observed that a plus b plus c equal to 0, and our question is given in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So fulfilling these two conditions, so answer should be 3abc. So its value will be 3abc. So we now put 3 into a, that is 12, into b minus 7 into c minus 5, which finally gives 1260 its value. So in this way we have got the value of this question, and where we have not used actual multiplication, rather we have used one identity known as conditional identity. In this way, student, these are the some very important questions from NCERT exercise 2.5, usually frequently asked in examination 2, either it is a periodic test or a half yearly or annual. So for every exam, whenever this chapter is there included in for the said exam, always such questions are asked. So you may do now practice at your home, and any doubt is there, you will share in your next video. So okay student, till then goodbye, and don't forget to share, like, comment and